DepEd Cebu Province TV-based instructions program, Sugbo Teleklase. Sa Sugbo, bata ang sentro sa panunisyo.
Dasig Sugbo.
It never fails. The taste of honey always delights me. Talking about honey, do you know where this very delicious and healthy supplement from nature is originally kept? That's right! One of the best engineers in nature, the bees, kept it in an internal structure of a densely packed group of hexagonal prismatic cells made of beeswax, called a honeycomb. If you look at a cross-section of a honeycomb, you see a pattern of hexagons. This pattern has one hexagon surrounded by 6 more hexagons. Surrounding this is a third ring of 12 hexagons, and so on. Wow! That's just pretty amazing how intricate a honeycomb is. Is it possible for us to know how many hexagons there are in a certain honeycomb without actually counting them? Great day, our dear learners, especially to our grade 10 students. Welcome to another episode of Math Made Easy, here on Math Legends TV. The total number of hexagons in a honeycomb can be modeled by the polynomial function f of r equals 3r cubed minus 3r plus 1, where r is the number of rings and f of r is the number of hexagons. Now, this is one of the many wonders of mathematics. It makes our lives easier, and sometimes it makes the impossible possible. I'm Teacher Jim at your service for today's episode, Polynomial Functions. As we go through polynomial functions, specifically illustrating polynomial functions, expect that you can Do you still remember polynomials in grade 8 and grade 9? Take a look at this. Say polynomial if the expression you see on your screen is a polynomial. And say not a polynomial if it is not a polynomial. Are you ready? Let's begin. 14x. You're right. It's a polynomial. How about this? 1 over 2x plus 2 over 3x squared minus 3 over 4x cubed. You're still right. It's not a polynomial. This one. 1 minus 16x squared. Great! It's a polynomial. Wow, great! Since you still remember what a polynomial is, now you're ready for our topic for today, illustrating polynomial functions. What is a polynomial function? A polynomial function is a function of the form p of x equals a sub n times x to the n plus a sub n minus 1 times x to the n minus 1 plus a sub n minus 2 times x to the n minus 2 plus and so on, plus a sub 1 times x plus a sub 0, where a sub n is not equal to 0, where n is a non-negative integer. A sub 0, a sub 1, and so on until a sub n are real numbers called coefficients. A sub n times x to the n is the leading term. A sub n is the leading coefficient, and a sub 0 is the constant term. Since our polynomial is written in descending powers of x, we can say that our polynomial is written in standard form. We say that the exponent n is the degree of the polynomial. The degree of the polynomial is determined by the highest power of the variable. Other than p of x, a polynomial function may also be denoted by f of x or y, like the ones you are seeing on the board. Polynomial functions are classified in terms of their degree n. 0 is a constant function. 1 is a linear function. 2 is a quadratic function. 3 is a cubic function. 4 is a quartic function. 5 is a quintic function. And a polynomial greater than 5 is nth degree function with no specific name. Now, let's do some examples to check if you can identify the leading term, the leading coefficient, the degree, and the type of polynomial function. Let's get started. The polynomial function y equals 8x to the fourth minus 4x cubed plus 2x plus 22. The leading term is 8x to the fourth. The leading coefficient is 8. The degree of the polynomial is 4. The type of function is quartic. Now it's your turn. F of x is equal to 3x squared plus 6x cubed plus 2x. The answers are: the leading term is 6x cubed. The leading coefficient is 6. The degree of the polynomial is 3. The type of function is cubic. Next, p of x equals x to the fourth minus x to the fifth plus x plus 2. The answers are: the leading term is negative x to the fifth. The leading coefficient is negative 1. The degree of the polynomial is 5. The type of function is quintic. Very good. You got it right. As you notice, some of our polynomials are not written in standard form. I need your help to write these polynomials in standard form. Okay, let's do it. Let's write f of x equals 3x squared plus 6x cubed plus 2x in standard form. Very good. It's f of x equals 6x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x. How about this? P of x equals x to the fourth minus x to the fifth plus x plus 2. Great! It's P of x equals negative x to the fifth plus x to the fourth plus x plus 2. Now, let us summarize what we have learned in this lesson. Please read the following paragraph and fill in the lines with the choices from the box below that will make the paragraph meaningful. You have 30 seconds to do that. Let's see if your answers are right. A polynomial function is a function which involves only non-negative integer powers or only positive integer exponents. The degree of any polynomial is the highest power present in it. In the cubic polynomial function, y equals 4 plus 2x plus x cubed. X cubed is the leading term. 4 is the constant term. 1 is the leading coefficient. And 3 is the degree. Wow! That was pretty amazing! You made it well! Indeed, learning can be easy if you just believe in yourself and what you can do. For more exciting activities, check your learner's home task on this lesson. Yes, you heard me right. Your learner's home task. Going back to the bees and the honeycomb earlier, if you find it interesting to keep bees on your backyard, make sure to take the necessary precautions. Take a look at this. If you want to keep bees in your backyard, make sure to follow these 8 reminders. See you in the next episode of interesting and exciting ways of learning mathematics here on Math Legends TV. This is Teacher Jim saying, mathematics is not just a subject, it's a way of life. Till then,
DepEd Cebu Province TV-based instructions program, Sugbo Teleklase. Sa Sugbo, bata ang sentro sa pamilya.
Dasig Sugbo.